Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn all about phrases and clauses. As we learnt in the previous grade, phrases are a group of two or more words that stand independently without a subject and predicate. For example, the White House. Clauses are a group of two or more words which consists of a subject and predicate and a verb. For example, please meet my sister. Types of clauses. Clauses can be categorized into two types based on the structure: independent and dependent. Independent clause. Clauses which have finite verb, subject, and predicate. They make complete sense independently. For example, I watched a movie based on a novel written by J.K. Rowling. Dependent clause. Clauses which have finite verb and are dependent on independent clauses to make sense of their meaning. Hence, they are also called subordinate clauses. For example, I watched a movie based on a novel written by J.K. Rowling. Types of clauses. Noun clauses, adverbial clause, adjective clause. Noun clauses. Clauses that act as a or the noun in a sentence. It answers the question of what. For example, she was upset by what you said. It can also be used as an object of a participle in a sentence. It can be used as a complement in a sentence. It can also be used as an object of an infinitive in a sentence. Adverbial clause. Clauses that act as an adverb in a sentence and alters the verb used. For example, my cousins and I went when they called us. Adverbial clauses answer to questions like when, where, and why, or when, where, why, etc., and are hence divided into 7 types. Manner, to show that action is done. Time, to address the time of the event. Place, to show a place. Reason or result, to answer why. Comparison, to highlight the quality or quantity. Condition, to highlight the potential outcomes of an event. Contrast, to separate two independent clauses contrasting with each other. Adjective clauses. Clauses that describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, the kid who lost his bag is crying. Phrases. As we have studied, phrases are a collection of different types of words. The group of words in a phrase consists of a main word. It is also called the head of a phrase, around which the phrase is formed. For example, the last 2 students in that row. Here, the main word is row, and the last 2 students gives additional information about the word row. Modifiers provide additional information about the head of the phrase in a sentence. For example, we went out for an Indian lunch. Phrases are classified into 5 types: noun, verb, prepositional, adjective phase, adverbial phase. Noun phase. Phrase with a noun as the main word. For example, my younger brother. Verb phase. Phrase with a verb as the main word. For example, been playing. Prepositional phase. Phrase with a preposition as the main word. For example, on my research project. Adjective phase. Phrase with an adjective as the main word. For example, very clever child. Adverbial phase. Phrase with an adverb as the main word. For example, solved very easily. Time to practice. Pause the video and try to answer the questions. Now check your answers carefully. Great job, students! You've now learned phrases and clauses in detail. Keep practicing to identify and use them correctly. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next class.